Today we have to discuss the next session related with the androgens, that is structure activity relationship of androgens or anabolic steroids. In last lecture we have to discuss with the sex hormones, near about six sex hormones we have to discuss: testosterone, estrogens, estradiol, diethyl steroid. These are the some examples which come under the anabolic steroids. We have to here in this session we have to discuss the structure, activity, and relationship related to the androgens. In details, we have to discuss the androgenic structure activity relationships. First point related the SAR of anabolic steroids or androgens. The first segment, that is testosterones and 5-alpha dihydroxy testosterones, having both anabolic and producing androgenic activity. This is the structure of testosterones. Third position, keto group is present. 17th position, hydroxy group present. 18 and 19, there is a methyl group is present. Here, and in testosterone, carbon-carbon double bond present in A ring of steroids, steroidal moiety. Whereas there is a 5-alpha dihydrotestosterone. There is a replacement or addition of 2 hydrogen atom into the testosterone to make the 5-alpha dihydroxy testosterone. These two drugs, testosterone and 5-alpha dihydroxy testosterone, having androgenic activity. In modifications, addition of methyl groups or ethyl group at C17 alpha position, that is this addition confirms dramatically improve the metabolic stability during first pass metabolism and allowing for oral administrations. And however, it also confirms the hepatotoxicity. These are the some examples where the C17 alpha position substituted with methyl or ethyl groups. Methyl testosterone, methadiones, norethindrones, mestalones. This is an example of methyl testosterone. In testosterone, at 17 alpha position, C17 alpha position, there is substitution of methyl group. That's why the name given methyl testosterone. Due to this substitution, it improves the metabolic stability of this type of drugs. Next point related with the SAR, there is an addition of methyl or ethyl group at 17 positions can confirm the increase estrogenic activity. That is estrogenicity increased by addition of methyl or ethyl group at C70 positions due to aromatic metabolite form which having greater metabolic stability. Example, methyl testosterone nor ethanol. This is an example, this is a structure. There is a ethyl group substitution at C17 carbon atoms. Next SAR point, this is related with the C17 substitutions at alpha positions on steroidal moiety, either methyl or ethyl groups. It will confirm the increased estrogenicity as well as also greater the metabolic stability of concerned drugs by addition of methyl or ethyl groups. It also addition of methyl or ethyl group at C17 alpha position to 19 nortestosterone derivative can greatly increase the prostogenic activity. Example is normethadrones. By substitution of methyl groups at C70 positions, it will produce increased prostrogenic activity when you compare with the testosterones. Next point, SAR point of view, the extended or bulkier group should be present at C17 alpha positions. It will reduce the androgenic agonist activity or changes the steroids into a anti-androgenic activity. Whereas an ethinyl group, example, ethistrone, norethystrones, or alkyl group substitutions, that is allylestrone, or vinyl group substitution, norwestrin, all are dramatically reduces the anti-androgenic activity. These are examples of this category where the bulkier substitution on these positions, vinyl substitutions, allyl substitutions, if substituted as C17 alpha positions, it greatly reduces the activity, anabolic activity. Next point related with the structural activity relationship, that is substitution at C16 positions, means this substitutions and the structure oxydolones, the substitutions at C16 positions can convert the steroid into a anti-androgens. That is, example is oxynodolone, metogest. These are the examples. By addition of C16 positions, it produces anti-androgenic activity due to the substitution of this group at C16 positions. Next point, attachment of ester at C3 positions or C17 beta hydroxyl group. Means these positions in testosterone, the esteric positions or this beta positions, the esteric formations, which confirms the increase the lipophilicity of that particular compound as compared to the testosterone. The example is testosterone inthatate is a esteric form of the testosterone. Nandrolone decanoate, drosterone propionate. These are the esteric substitution at C3 or C17 beta positions. These are example of testosterone ethanate. Next XAR point of anabolic steroid, the attachment of very long chain ester such as undecanate. This type of substitution near about 9 to 10 carbon atom present in the structure at the C17 beta position confirms the oral activity via absorption by lymphatic systems. The example is testosterone undeconate. This is a structure of testosterone undeconate. These are the derivative. Once absorbed, they convert into testosterones. Next SAR point, that is removal of C19 methyl group. C19 methyl groups. Here, instead of methyl, the hydrogen group is present at C19th position of testosterones. Confirm the increase anabolic activity, but decrease the androgenic activity, resulting in a much greater ratio of anabolic to androgenic effect. The example in this category by replacing methyl group from C19 position from testosterone, that is nandrolone. Instead of methyl group, the hydrogen is present in these structures, which increases the anabolic activity but decreases androgenic activity. Another point related with the structure activity relationship, that is introduction of double bond in between C1 and C2 position. Means these positions there is an introduction of double bond at in between C1 and C2 positions renders the ring more planar and increases the anabolic to androgenic activity. The example is metadidiones and metadrostenolones. This is an example of metandiones or metaandrostenolones. There is an introduction of double bond in between C1 and C2 position in these examples. Next point, SAR point of view, introduction of substitutions such as hydroxy group, OH group or chlorine group at the C4 positions can reduce or prevent the 5-alpha reductions and aromatization, resulting in greater ratio of anabolic to androgenic activity and reduce the estrogenicity. That is, estrogenic activity was reduces. Example is chlorotestosterone. There is an introduction of chloro group at 4 positions. Oxabolones. There is an introduction of hydroxy group at 4 positions. This is structure of oxabolones and this is structure of chlorotestosterones. Next point related with the SAR point of view, there is an introduction of double bond in between C9 and C10 positions. That is, these positions, the substitution of double bond and the substitution of double bond in between L11 and C12 position can confirm greatly increase the potency of particular drugs. Example is trenbolones, methyl trenbolones, trimethyl trenbolones, tetrahydrogestanones. These are examples of in this category by introduction of double bond at C9 and C10 positions and double bond in between C11, C12 positions. Next point relative to the SAR point of view, the introduction of methyl group at C7 alpha position. That is, this substitution of methyl groups at C7 position can increase the potency and prevent the 5-alpha reductions. For example, dimethyl testosterones, prostolones, myborilones. These are the examples of this category. And this is the structure of dimethyl testosterone by introduction of methyl group at C7 alpha positions. Due to this, it increases the potency and also prevents 5-alpha reductions. Introduction of methyl groups at C1 position means these positions or C1 alpha position can confirm some oral activity, orally active compounds. Example is in this category by introduction of methyl group at C1 positions. That is, mestrolones are called as dihydrotestosterones. The replacement of C2 carbon atom with oxygen, that is isosteric replacement of carbon with oxygens in 17 alpha alkylated androgenic steroids. This is a introduction of oxygen by replacing carbon atom in testosterones, testosterone moiety compounds, and 17 alpha alkylated derivatives can improve the metabolic stability, also decreases the hepatotoxicity. The example is oxazolone. This is structure of oxazolone. There is a isosteric replacement of oxygen with carbon atoms and alkylated methyl at C17 positions. Next point, that is substitution at C2 positions, either with methyl, either with hydroxymethylene group. These are hydroxymethylene groups, or a fuser ring. Here you will see this Tanzolol. There is a fused ring moiety present in the structure, or hydroxymethylene substitutions can improve the metabolic stability of particular drugs. Example is brostolones, oxamethalones, danozoles, stanozolol. These are the examples. These are the structures. Here, the hydroxymethylene moiety substituted on CT, C2 positions, or methyl substitution, or fused rings. The next point, a hydroxyl group instead of keto groups at C3 positions at the C17 beta can dramatically decrease the anabolic agonist activity, but render the steroid into androgen phosphomers. Means, in short, instead of keto group, hydroxy group is present, and instead of hydroxy group, keto group is present at C17 positions. By replacing these ones, they dramatically decrease the androgenic agonist. The example in this category is androstenedione or dihydroepiandrosterone. These are the examples in this replacement of ketone group by hydroxyl group. Instead of ketone, hydroxy substituted at C3 positions, and in C17 beta, instead of hydroxyl group, ketone group should be present. If this type of changes was occurred in the structures, there is a decrease in the androgenic agonist activity. Next SAR point, that is removal of the ketone group from C3 positions. Here there is a no keto double bond O presence, absence of double bond O group at C3 positions can dramatically decrease the androgenic agonist activity, but render the steroids into a androgen prohormones. Example is ethyl estrenols, deoxymethyl testosterols. This is structure of ethyl estrenols. Here there is a no keto group present at C3 positions. And another point of view, SAR point of view, aromatization of a ring abolish the androgenic affinity. Yes, this aromatization of the A ring of the steroids, they abolish the androgenic affinity and produces the estrogenicity. The example in this category, estradiols, 17 alpha methyl estradiol, 17 alpha ethyl estradiols, 7 alpha methyl estradiol. These are the examples in these categorizations by aromatization of the A ring of the steroid moiety, which abolishes the androgenic affinity and produces the estrogen activity, estrogenicity with these drugs. These are the SAR point related with the androgens and anabolic steroids.